Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix TV display resolution issues on Xbox One. Press the Xbox button on your controller. Go to System tab. Then open Setting option. Open Display and Sound option. Go to Video Output. Select the TV resolution option. This may also show up as a just resolution. If you don't see the resolution for your display, go to Advanced Video Settings. Select the TV connection setting and set up as a auto detect. Xbox One support the following resolution like 480 pixel, 720 pixel, 1080 pixel, 1080 pixel, 1040 pixel, 4K UHD.